Hello, are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the character Friar Lawrence? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Friar Lawrence in the tragic play Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Still being tried a holy man. Juliet questions the friar just before she takes the potion made by him. Being seen as holy, even at this point, helps to indicate to the audience that the friar is a character of best intentions, which is again mirrored in the words of the prince, who also refers to him as holy despite the death of the lovers. Virtue itself turns to vice. The character, in these lines, remarks that all good intentions and people can become sinful vice. This foreshadows his own good intentions for Romeo and Juliet's secret marriage, as well as commenting on the feud between the families. The friar plays with the views of binary opposition here, that there is light and dark, and good and evil within all of us. Young men's love then lies not truly in their heart, but their eyes. A social comment, and one which serves to show the friar is a voice of reason, and one that questions the motives of Romeo. In their eyes indicates that young men care only for aesthetics and not the true nature of a person, which can be found in the heart. Depending on how the line is spoken by an actor, the final part could be heard with a sense of innuendo. They stumble that run fast, a warning to the audience and a link to the idea of fate. The line foreshadows the tragic demise of the protagonists, as it hints that the characters are too quick with their marriage, with the verb stumble seen as slight litotes understatement when we consider the deaths. Be patient. The friar's advice to Romeo, just after his banishment, again reminds Romeo to not rush into anything which he may regret. This advice is obviously ignored. Hold thy desperate hand. The exclamatory sentence highlights the concern the friar shows for the desperate Romeo who seeks to kill himself. The adjective desperate also indicates the lack of sense Romeo is showing. His actions are ill-judged and will be seen again later in the play during his suicide. Thou art wedded to calamity. The friar is foreshadowing the tragic demise of the character, but also to suggest the pain and misery, calamity, are unavoidable. Wedded not only suggests the character is joined permanently to his death and there is no escape, but also unknowingly indicts Juliet as the reason for his death. The friar too has wedded Romeo and Juliet to their fate, and therefore he helps it to occur. So there's a great selection of analysis and evidence you can include in your essays. It's now up to you to make sure that you're doing just that in your work. So thank you and good luck.